How long have you guys been together?
15 years.
15 years you've been together. Tell me one small specific reason on which you fight.
He's from West Delhi, I'm from South Delhi.
He's from West Delhi and you're from South Delhi. But why would you fight on this? तुम क्यों हो वहां से गरीब इलाके से? This cannot be the reason for fight, right? I need a specific reason for fight.
He's not woke enough.
He's not?
Woke enough.
He's not woke enough. अब लग रहा है ना बैंड्रा में आया हूँ. He's not woke enough मतलब क्या? आपको रोटी बनाने को बोल देते हैं? चलो लगाओ 2 पराठे लगाओ. बताओ ना क्या इशू है? What do you mean by he's not woke enough? What he did last time? आप कब बने woke? कब आपने इनफ इंस्टाग्राम देख लिया कि एल्गोरिथम ने अब आपके ऊपर वो टेक ओवर कर लिया? You are from Jawaharlal JNU. अरे तो आप तो बचपन से ही हो ना. And which university is he from? Delhi University. Which college? किरोड़ीमल. तो अच्छा कॉलेज है. But what he did? क्या करा लास्ट टाइम इन्होंने ऐसा कि आपको लगा कि बीजेपी को वोट दे दिया क्या? अपना वीडियो बना के लगा ये देख. I really love you. I voted for BJP tonight. This ink is for BJP. क्या करा इन्होंने?
I think he doesn't understand diversity, inclusion that much.
He doesn't understand diversity, inclusion that much. क्या? आप लोग घर पे इस बात में डिस्कशन करते हो क्या? So, Apurva, what are you reading today? I am reading Times of India. Fuck off! Read this, The Hindu, right now. But again, my question is still the same. क्या करा इन्होंने ऐसा? अपूर्व आप ही बता दो. अपूर्व तो देखे ही जा रहा है. अपूर्व तो ऐसा होगा ये उड़ता तीर तुमने लिया तो मेरे में क्यों डाल रही है? क्यों अपूर्व आप woke क्यों नहीं हो? Why are you not woke enough? Yeah. He's from Vikas. No. We are not. Ma'am, I think you are a very regionalist person. I think you have that snobbish attitude about being from South Delhi, and you don't respect. You are not inclusive enough of people from other parts of Delhi.